Hello guys and welcome back, and now we are back again and we are drawing. We are continuing with our drawing. So right now what I will be doing, I'll be going straight to my t-shirt. So we're gonna use a custom shape. That's what we've been using since. So we just draw, we'll go straight our cartoon, then we can just do that thing right now. Then you can now just click select. Then you can just name this your shirt. Then we're gonna draw the towel. Before we even fix that, let's just go straight to the towel. So what we're doing in general, we're just trying to make the shape of like exactly how how we want it. That's generally what you're doing. Just click there, you can double click and you can write towel. Then after this, you can start to draw your neck. Our neck is very simple. You can just double click there, then you write your neck. Then we can go straight to our feet. Sometimes your cartoon may be a little bit blur, because like it's just a drawing, it's just a sketch. It's not like a full, but what we're doing, we're just trying to give it a life. So let's call foot one. You can just click there, just make sure you deselect. So another thing guys, before you can go straight here, just make sure like you're not selecting anything there, and it's not selecting anything also in here. Then you can do like that to draw like a second feet over there. You see it's selected there, just double click, go to foot 2. Then you can draw your slippers now. I can see like I missed a lot of things, but we will be fixing it later on. So now I can click draw, then I go straight to my pencil. Then I can decrease my thickness here. I want my thickness to be around 5. So for the tip pencil, just start draw a line just like that. Then you can draw all those big things just like that. For those who thought like we won't be using a pencil, we did use the pencil. Then now we're going to our hand, so we'll just use a custom here. Just make sure like you're doing it the right way. just select there. So we can just click this 1 2, then we can know this is the one. Then you can write it, let me just write it as a hand. Then you can draw, like you can zoom out and come here, then you can double click this, then it will select, let me just write toes, then you can double click there, so it will select, and then I write here slipper. Then I zoom out, then I zoom in. So I can say like we're down. I want to join like the second part, but I will deal with it. I can say right now we are just done drawing everything on our person. So I'll be focusing on the face, trying to get the face correct, trying to make sure all the detail on the face and the head. On the next episode, I'm done with it. That's all for this episode, and we'll be fixing everything else on the second episode. Thank you so much. See you on the next episode.